So let's start with the new chapter, diversity in living organisms. Classification, the system of grouping of living organisms on the basis of similarities and dissimilarities, is called classification. Five kingdom system of classification. In 1969, R.H. Whitaker advocated a five kingdom system of classification. The living world is classified into following five kingdoms. What are these kingdoms? These kingdoms are Kingdom Monera, Kingdom Protista, Fungi, Kingdom Plantae and Animalia. Let's start with the first kingdom, Kingdom Monera. Monera is related to the bacteria. Characteristics, what are the characteristics? Monerans are the simplest unicellular and the prokaryotic organism. The cell wall is present in some organisms and absent in others. Monerans lack a defined nucleus and cell organelles like endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, etc. Next kingdom is Kingdom Protista. These are simple unicellular eukaryotic organisms. They have a defined nucleus and also membrane-bound cell organelles. Locomotion occurs with the help of hair-like structures called cilia, whip-like structures called flagella, and pseudopodia in amoeba. These protists, some of these protists have the characteristics of the plants that they have the chloroplast in them. That's why they are called the autotrophs. While some protists have the animal-like cells and they don't have the chloroplast in them. That's why they are known as the heterotrophs. Next kingdom is fungi. They are the simple eukaryotic non-green multicellular organism. Their cell wall is made up of chitin. They are non-photosynthetic. Most of them are saprophytes as they feed on dead and decaying organic matter, while few are parasitic. Means, in other words, we can say that the kingdom fungi means they are non-photosynthetic, means they don't perform the process of the photosynthesis, but they get their food from the dead and the decaying organic matter. So just take the case of the mucor, mushroom and the rhizopus. Next, fourth kingdom is Kingdom Plantae. Kingdom Plantae includes multicellular green organism. These cells are aggregated into tissues. Plants are autotrophs. Their cell walls are made of cellulose. Plants grow throughout their life. Kingdom plants are further classified into Thallophyta, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta, Gymnosperm and Zoosperm. We all know that the plants are autotrophs because they make their own food by the process of the photosynthesis and they grow throughout their life. And kingdom plant is further classified into many groups that we will discuss in our next blog. Next is Kingdom Animalia. It is one of the largest kingdom. Animalia includes multicellular non-green eukaryotes. They are heterotrophic. Their cells form tissues, organs and organ systems. Cell wall is absent. Animals show limited growth which stops after maturity. And this is the last kingdom of the five system kingdom classification. And in our next blog we will see that Animalia kingdom is further divided into many groups and they have different characteristics. So let's stop for today. See you in the next blog.